Right. We've got a bit more consolidation in silver, but before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNest, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for silver. So we have a potential bull flag set up in silver, but in general, we have a tightening consolidation pattern taking the form of a small symmetrical triangle. It's bullish that it's happening above this trend line largely, and the fact that it's happening above the 38.2% retracement, which was tested on the 1st of May, clearly as support. You can see the nice bounce intraday there. This is the second test. I shouldn't say the second test. This is the second spike low. And if this is established, then this lower trend line will create the bottom of the symmetrical triangle. So therefore, something is likely to happen soon because as we go forward pretty quickly, trading is going to get further towards the apex, and once it does that, the chance of breaking out increases. An upside breakout now would be above today's high, and you can see how this line was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days hit this top line, so that's a pretty solid line. A breakout above today's high of 32.99 will also have been a breakout above that top boundary line of this symmetrical triangle, which is part of a potential bull flag with this um, pull here, this large, sharp rally, consolidation, and then we have the potential for continuation to the upside. But any upside would be heading into this potential resistance up here at this high right here at 34.59, and this one up here at 34.87, but there's also the potential for a breakout. So although this is a breakout above those levels, so although this is a bullish pattern, though, we have to keep in mind that it's contained within this larger sideways choppy consolidation. So it's not in the most bullish positioning within the larger context of the trend, and that means a downside breakdown could also happen. And that would not have anything to do with the pennant, bull pennant. It would just be a breakdown. We could call this a pennant too, but it wouldn't have the pole. So that would be a below today's low of 31.89. That means the 200 likely to be tested as support around 31.22, maybe the 50% retracement at 31, and possibly all the way down to the 61.8% retracement around 30.37. So in either direction, it could be significant. Also watch for false moves on the up and on the downside. All right, that is it for today, traders. Have a great week.